Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have your phone, SSN, valid email, and bank routing/account numbers because verification needs them. Next, choose account type, individual for most users, or IRA if tax-advantaged investing matters. Margin requires Robinhood Gold approval. Once done, open the app or website and tap Sign Up. Enter your name, DOB, and address. Make sure to use the legal name on your ID to avoid delays, and proceed to the identity checks that follow. Now complete identity verification. Take and upload a clear photo of your government ID and a selfie. Robinhood uses these to match details. Then answer the KYC questions about citizenship, employment, and investment experience. Be accurate because mismatches trigger manual review. After that, link your bank account using instant verification or micro deposits. Instant is fastest. Micro deposits take 1-3 business days. Make sure account and routing numbers match exactly so funding and ACH transfers work smoothly. With your bank linked, choose an initial deposit amount or set a recurring transfer to build positions over time. Enable two-factor authentication and push notifications for security and timely updates. Review account settings like dividend reinvestment and tax document preferences. Carefully read and accept required disclosures and user agreements. These finalize your account. Once a deposit settles, typically instant for some features or up to 5 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.